Hey guys, just saying hello. This is FOMO Nemo from Telegram at also the Happy Profits. Just going to go over a couple notes today. I'm going to go at the pre-market real quick for you, which I think is the nice continuous slow movers. Basically right here, good retrend. I woke up around 7. I take this trade all day long. This is the one I took right here. Once it broke here, I take target 1, then I take another fib all the way to target 2. Then it just looked like overbought because obviously this is what you got to keep looking at. You got to go, is people willing to pay $1.70 yesterday, and now it's at $3.70, and it's eventually got to say no. I mean, you got to keep calling it quits. There's no shorts being trapped in it yet, and you're going to start seeing it thin out right here. So I'm going to put some alerts at the 306 area. So you just can't keep thinking it's going to run all the time right here. So I'm thinking 306. And I had some orders at the 315 earlier today. So I'm just going to probably drag this down, see if it kind of grinds back up. Tells me to look at it. You can always put another one at VWAP. That's another good place to put alert. And I will show you the backside scalps I took on this one. Basically right here, if you look at it, if you can see this retrend right at the same area it bounced out earlier, I took that trade as well. And then I just let it go because after a while it stopped proving a little bit baby steps on the way up. So then they had RDHL that did a 2 pop at the early. You'll see this confluent area right here the whole time right here. I'll draw that for you as well. That line right there, you'll see that's the level it kept popping to go up. So this is clearly resistance area and this is clearly support the whole time. And it's trying one more time up here, so I will probably drag this up because if it's trying 4 or 5 times, it might go in a little bit. Traffic looks like it's kind of picking up on it. IMRX, same thing right here. I will show you. I had these drawings on this chart this early in the morning, and right here I was just waiting for that pop out. Had a double top. The second top was not as high as the first, so clearly breaking down. It's retrending right here. If you would have been good, you could have probably got in any of these trades right here. I will draw what I would have gotten in right here. So we have this. Now I can't push any lower. And now the buyers start coming back in and coming back in very nicely. So just start looking for certain retrend moves are good. I'll show you another one that's on the screen. It didn't make a move after it did try. You have here, and the buyers couldn't push it up either. So right there, it just kept on downtrending. It tried. Same level, by the way. Okay, I did take some scalps in here. That's the 154 area. So right here. So that's what you would be looking at. So you can see the confluent area on the way up. And then when it's going down, look for a possible bounce on the previous resistance. Now possible support, did not support well, but it did have a big enough fight there to make some good money. I made probably, I don't know, $1,300 right in this garbage area. Because I like scalps. I'll get on a 15-second. You'll see this big nice scalp right here. It's very easy to see, and you get these 2 moves right here. Let me go ahead and get out of this stock, and I'm going to go ahead and do the 1 day. I think we have Dharma right now. This one's about, yeah, this is that one I was just looking at. That's the same area right here. So we're looking for a possible continuation here. We will see. It's kind of at the top, but all good. You should have got in probably over the VWAP break right here, or this earlier area right here once you start seeing the uptrend of it. So if you want to be a late buyer, you could buy here, and it could go 50-50, but it's going to be not a fun sight. ATPC, it did pop at the open right over this right here, so you would draw a fib on this one if it's going to go again, and it did a lot more than it should have, but very good. And when you see the stock going up, but you see something else kind of going down, that's kind of telling you reversal's coming, and right here. But if you're a scalper, you should have been able to get in here on the way up, another one here on the way up, and another one here with a little extra lanyap on that one. So these are 3 easy scalps. I just don't like pennies to get that. And then Dharma right here, that's the one that's still trying to do the VWAP break. I just traded a lot in here, and it's still trying. So we will see if it can make it. Otherwise, basically the low volume until the volume kicked in, and then volume pulled back. And so basically right here to here, that should have been that target one that happened already. Right here, yeah, that target's the one that happened, and we're going to see if it can bounce off that same previous area right here on Dharma. And so what I'll usually do right here is I'll just say put it on alert and put it in the chat room. So all good, we'll see, because I don't think it's going to go. But it is a big fight, and when it's a big fight, you don't know. It could just be trying. You will see it's basically just going to have to prove itself over that money. Hey, y'all have a good day. If y'all need any alerts, we do have some alerts. We're going to give it away for 2 weeks for free. Then we're going to charge a yearly or monthly fee. These alerts are really, really good. Right here, if you were taking a trade and you weren't taking any, it'll tell you the gain, the below VWAP gain alert. So if you see this one at 30%, you start looking at it, you start seeing this at 30%, and then you go, well, RDHL, that's 30%, but look, now you have 70%. So that's the one that kind of reproved itself. So you definitely want to be looking at it. And then the beautiful thing was all morning long, it was telling you to get in BBLG. BBLG. BBLG, telling you that to get in that trade all morning long, just saying, hey, it's up. Take a look at it, and that's what you should. And if you don't want to keep looking at your list right over here, just start taking a list here, because this is actively doing that work for you. So y'all have a good one. Reach out if you need to. Y'all have a great day, and I will see you later. And let me see if I can get over here one more time. I'm FOMO No Mo on Telegram and the Happy Profits. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much.